Did you know that each day 72,000 hours are being uploaded to YouTube? That's 3 million videos. So if we divide 72,000 to 24 hours, this means each hour 3,000 hours of videos are being uploaded. That's crazy. So this is 2024 numbers I got from TubeBuddy channel. Basically, TubeBuddy is a tool for YouTubers, and they've been in YouTube headquarter office, and they got this exciting news that soon YouTube will release a feature of auto dubbing with AI. This means that your videos in English will be easily available for audiences in Europe speaking various European languages, for example, and vice versa. Look, little puppies, their mom, they live here. You see, 3, they live there. So what can you do about this? Now YouTube is on so-called easy mode. This means new channels with simple, authentic talking head videos are blowing up like crazy. Yeah, like this. It's a young coconut tree. Ever seen this? This is a coconut. So not every coconut will grow to a tree. Some coconuts will decay in the water. It depends on how lucky you are. But nevertheless, you can try. Look how many coconuts die. And if you assess these numbers, that 3,000 hours are being uploaded every hour, this means inevitably some creators will not see success. But some creators will grow their channels. Look, look. Some are getting lucky. You know, I didn't plan any of this. I'm just making this stuff out of the top of my head. Comment on whatever I see. This is called low effort content. And this is what you can implement. So imagine this. If you just post a video per day, 365 days per year, this means if people watch your video on average, let's say 7 minutes, you will get 4,000 watch hours required for monetization, even if none of your videos get over 100 views, which is, I think, impossible. Something will blow up sooner or later. It's not really that hard. Look at me. I just took my phone and I'm sharing my thoughts. You can do this every day, because every day new ideas are coming to our heads, and you can just share your ideas. And some videos people will like, some videos people will like. You know, the truth is, we don't know how the algorithm really works, but what you can expect is that everybody's getting a chance. Somebody is getting a chance on a second video, somebody is getting a chance on 100th video. You know, I've seen a channel with a lot of subscribers, and what I stumbled across was, I think, video that YouTube is easy or something about teaching YouTube. So I scrolled down the channel history, and what I found out, the second video guy posted got million views in a finance niche. That's crazy. He was posting something about like daily Tesla stock updates or something like this. So yeah, it's easy to say YouTube is easy if your second video blew up. Look, an eagle. We have eagles here. Social media platforms are competing now, and what I found out, YouTube is still the best, because YouTube is basically the only platform that allows you to post long form videos and get organic growth. You see, when people are watching shorts or TikToks, they're just scrolling mindlessly. Most people are not even listening what's being said. That's why we see so many shorts with subtitles popping into your eye, and I think it's damaging the eyesight sometimes. With this type of content, you're not really connecting with the audience. And when a random dude staying with you, listening to your thoughts for like 10 minutes every day, you become like friends, internet friends. Even the scientists invented the term parasocial relationship. Basically, this means that audience has relationship with a blogger, but the blogger doesn't really know who's watching. Looking for prey, soaring in the sky. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is the best time to try and be consistent. You see, I started a challenge to earn some money from this very channel. It's my 10th channel. I started a challenge in the beginning of November to earn some money before the new year. And now it's almost end of November. I think I posted like 9 videos, 8 or 9 videos. And I just discovered that I'm not posting every day. Yeah, I'm lazy. I could do better than this. And I analyzed like, what am I doing wrong again? So it turned out I'm overthinking the content. Sometimes when you start a new project, you just need to mass produce. Throw stuff on a wall and see what sticks. This is the best advice I can give you from my 10 years of YouTube experience. But you cannot just throw random topics on the wall. You should stay within your niche. Because if you stay in within your niche and something sticks to the wall, later YouTube algorithm will give views to your older videos and you will see how the whole channel is growing instantly. And if you miss this opportunity to post consistently and stay within your niche, you will miss the money. So where is the money here? Definitely not in the AdSense monetization program, because I just explained to you that sometimes you have to post hundreds of videos before you get monetized in the first place. And many people who don't have experience of being monetized, they expect that after they pass the threshold, they will immediately start earning really good money. But if you watch the reports of real YouTubers who got monetized recently, you will see that $100 first month of monetization is a really good result only for English speaking channels. But if we take $5 CPM, for example, this means that to get $100, 20,000 people should watch your stuff per month. And if you think about it, this is like you're staying in a conference room, giant conference room, and you can report your ideas to 20,000 people and pitch something to them. So the equivalent of pitching to them would be putting a link into your description. For example, this channel I created for people who are tired of 9 to 5 lifestyle and they want to start their own scene and travel the world, be free. So I have some experience in this area and I'm sharing it. And now I think the best niche where you can grow and earn money is paid communities. So definitely check out my link in the description. I put the same link in every video description because I think it's really good for creators to get money for their content. Rice has just been collected here. Birds are looking for fallen grains. You know, it's kinda annoying. It's my 10th channel and every time I have to go through the beginning phase and wait till the algorithm picks up something, at least one video. So I feel like a beginner again, even though I'm not. But it's okay, it's okay. What I found out to be true is the algorithm is testing new channels. So how I imagine this, there's a randomized number from 1 to 100. And this number represents the video that will be given a chance that will blow up on your channel. Boys catching fish in the rice field. Look. Did he catch anything? Nope. So if you're thinking, okay, how can I make daily content, be consistent? I don't have time, I have 9 to 5, and I have my wife or my family. I'm busy walking with my dog. So you can batch create, just put the list of topics on a paper, what you want to talk about, and trust me, after many videos, after you try 1, 2, 3, 20 times, it will come out of the top of your head. So it's not that hard, you just have to break through the first awkward moments. The beauty here is that after your channel grows to a certain level, you can just leave talking to the camera process, and video editing and thumbnail creation you can outsource, for example overseas or on Fiverr. And if your channel starts bringing good money, you can create more with less time, just paying a share of your profit to freelancers. So think about it, it's a really good idea. For example, if your channel is bringing, like, you count how many videos you posted and it's bringing like $20 per video, and you can see that if you post more videos it will bring more money. So what you can do is just find a team of freelancers that will edit your talking head videos, edit your thumbnails under $20, and for some time you will not really earn anything, but eventually your content backlog will grow, your channel will grow, you will get more views, and the share of what you're paying for people will be negligible compared to what you're earning from your channel, from your source of passive or not so passive income. Some people make faceless channels, and that's a good business model, but if you start in faceless, you have bigger overhead than just talking to the camera like me. Truth be told, I'm not really spending any extra time for making this video. Yeah, I will spend 10-20 minutes to edit in the end, but now I'm just walking for fat loss, for health, and why not use this time to record something? You can do the same. My point here would be posting 30 videos per month will give you 30 chances to blow up. Posting one good video will give you one chance, because good videos don't really blow up on small channels. High effort videos don't pay off. Don't waste your time on high effort content till you know for sure that you can monetize it and get your money back. I explained why in a previous video. Oh, I just created a title for this video. I make bad videos on purpose. How about that? It's not really a great video, it cannot compete with the best videos out there, but it's just like a daily vlog sharing thoughts on YouTube, passive income, and making money online, blah blah blah. And if you like it, just press like. If you dislike it, sorry for wasting your time.